If you have a prefabricated shower just like me, you might be stuck with limited storage space also just like me, making it hard to find space for your shampoo, conditioner, soaps, etc. Which is why in this video right here, I'm gonna show you the best shower caddy shelves that are easy to install and require no drilling. Let's go. Now this right here is the Yasonic shower caddy shelves, and they are awesome. They come in many different colors, including silver, black, white, bronze, gold, and even pink. You get 3 pieces, 2 corner shelves that state that they can hold up to 40 pounds each. I do find that a little hard to believe, but it does hold a lot of weight, as you can see here. It's holding all my shampoo bottles and more that weigh more than 10 pounds. You also get 1 soap tray caddy. Each caddy is rust-proof, waterproof, and has a solid thick frame. Basically, it doesn't feel cheap. I also like the design of the frame too, as it has these opened end hooks right here that you can hang your razors, your loofahs, or anything that has a strap on it. The best part is the installation process, which requires no drilling like I said. You only use these adhesive hooks. Basically, you push the adhesive hooks up against a clean, dry wall, allow it to dry, and then you can take your caddy and just snap it right on, and yeah, that's it. Anyone can do it. These shelves can adhere to a wide variety of surfaces too, like tile, marble, tempered glass, smooth wood walls, solid metal surfaces, and more. But I want to make sure you're aware of that they do not attach to wallpaper, textured walls, lime walls, and concrete walls. So make sure that you keep that in mind. One thing I do want to make sure you're aware of is you want to make sure you use these on flat surfaces. I know that seems weird, but a lot of showers in certain corners are rounded or curved. You want to make sure it has enough flat area for the hooks to adhere to. To remove the hooks, all you need to do is just simply heat up the surface, recommending using a hairdryer for a little bit, and then you can pull it right off. If you do it correctly, you won't damage anything, making it perfect for any home that you're renting. The Yasonic makes a few different designs, styles, and sizes. The one that you see right here, I got for right around $27, and I absolutely love it, and it's been holding up for a number of years now. I did you a favor and I put a link down in the video description that takes you to the place that has it the cheapest. So make sure you use those links. And by the way, those links do help me out, so thank you very much. I highly recommend getting this product right here. If you want to learn any more awesome products that I recommend in this channel for my one-up reviews, you can check the videos over to my side, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and help me grow even more. Just helping you find some cool stuff for your home. I'll catch you all in the next video.